We're here today to learn, to unlearn, and to do lots of learning. Just learning. You can't just stop learning. Just keep doing what you know how to do best.
This is the day we've been waiting for, and I'm just so much ecstatic seeing people in the venue and everything, and the expectations. Trust me, we're gonna blow your mind.
This one divided me and my wife slept 72 nights of our rent in one night. As I'm coming to you, I'm not eating my follow way.
Financially free also can never happen without financial.
This is kind of a different way and approach of sensitizing the people in the real estate business, or people who are aspiring to become agents in the real estate business, to understanding how real estate actually works.
The thing is, whatever God's given us, we're supposed to use it to develop the future, just the same way as other nations have done. I speak of...
They're wonderful. This platform is to help them become better. This platform is to create an atmosphere for open discussion about real estate, and also to share our vision as a company to our associates as well as stakeholders.
I'm expecting to learn, unlearn and relearn, because we actually know that a whole lot of things are actually changing in the real estate world right.
Because the way you made me feel like...
It's about money, and I believe everybody likes money. We just want to teach you how you can be financially free through real estate.
Yes, I can.
So many competitions. I'm very sure there are more than 50,000 realtors in Lagos.
You have to be descriptive about it. Ask questions when it's needed, when it's necessary. Ask people, open up. I don't want people to see my client. Which is your client?
When you take up a property that you've not done due diligence, you cannot sell it. Because when the chips are down, but the seller...
He feels that real estate has not started in Lagos. Yes, I can.